Hi, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Now, Day 6 was supposed to be like a summary of my trip down to Christchurch, but I actually didn't realise that I was going to have an interesting life. I'm still not wearing my arm brace as often as I should, which is a bad idea. I'm now just wearing it anytime it hurts. So the reason I thought I would start today's vlog here is that these guys are going to come running over and join me in my paddock, whether I ask them to or not. Yes, hello, Mittens. Who's a good girl? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. And hello, Boots. You are my favourite, even though I would never tell Mittens. So, all this, I set up a camera and set it up so that it's too tall for Boots. And don't eat my watch, darling. Yeah. So it's been wet and it's been woolly, and they're both due for a shear. Very, very. No, it's my yarn advent, darling. You're my birthday advent, or my birthday yarn, aren't you? Yeah, so in case you've missed the progress, basically Boots and Mittens were my birthday gift, and they are now, well, how old are you now? So my birthday was in August, and it's now December. So August, you were probably born in July, weren't you? Yes, because you're a bit older, and you're a bit fatter. But like, not to like fat shame you or anything, just you didn't have the struggles early in life that you did. Yes, you're my favourite sheep. Yes, you are. So Boots and Mittens were my birthday sheep, and so it would be August, September, October, November, December. So they're about 5 months, or nearly 5 months. Some of their compatriots from the same litter, no, not litter, that's not what it is with sheep, are going off to become Christmas lambs, aren't they? And you two are prime examples of what would make great Christmas lambs. However, I'm a vegetarian, and I do knitting and crochet. So basically, Boots and Mittens, I do know the breed. You're a mixed breed, aren't you? Something Suffolk. And you're not a mixed breed. Mittens she's a stud ewe, and Boots is half stud ewe and half Suffolk, I think. But you are the sweetest sheep. You are just the best sheep in the world, aren't you, both of you? So we're going to open up our yarn advent. Yeah, it's not sheep snacks, sorry, darling. I probably could have done an advent for you guys, and it would have been just like sheep snacks the whole time. Okay, so this is day 6. And you're standing on my foot, and you weigh a lot more than you used to. So, okay. So we started with the reds and the pinks, and we've now moved to this purpley shade. Is it a little bit intimidating for you two to see what you're going to become in life? So this is a really cool purple shade called lavender, and it's got these, I want to say, heathery chunks or tweedy chunks. So that's quite different compared to the others. So that's quite cool. So why I thought I would start here today in this chaos of being surrounded by my flock of sheep. These two are getting shorn at some point. Excuse me, you are taking over my Vlogmas. So they're getting shorn very shortly. So I thought that having them around in their woolly fluffy glory. Can she see herself in the rear view camera? That would be hilarious to know. In the meantime, Mittens is just munching directly in Boots' ear. That is so funny. So soon they're going to look naked, and we're going to have our first lamb's wool. And I'm really nervous about what to do with the lamb's wool, because I can spin yarn, but I'm not very good at it, and I don't want to ruin their first fleece. Like, excuse me, you are not the camera operator, thank you, darling. You are the sheep. You're the content. I'm the talent. Honestly, I don't know what we're doing anymore. This is just chaos. Anyway, I did think that my life was going to be just boring before heading away, but there's been a few interesting things. So there's going to be some footage of doing some digger work. Not me, obviously, because of my wrist, I'm so sore. So there's some digger work that's been happening down at my sister's, and then some, we're going to the farm. I mean, Yeah, I know, but excuse me, that is my tripod. Okay, this may be the last time that we film in the paddock. Mittens. Excuse me, you hungus. You can't just chew on all the things. So we're going up to the big farm and we're doing some lamb-related activities this morning just to help out because that's what we do. Evidently what we do is we also try and hijack vlogs. Yes, you're beautiful. And tripods are delicious. That's my cue to end this here and catch you up with some footage. I don't know how much knitting I'm getting done because lately I'm not getting any knitting done, or at least not a lot of knitting done, and definitely no crochet with my wrist. But I'm hoping that if I keep resting it for the next week, I'll be able to get back and film some tutorials and things like that. Because as much as a chaos sheep vlog is definitely wool content, isn't it, darling? Isn't it? You are the best sheep. You are the second best sheep. Yeah, I do want to enter them in the AMP show. But I was afraid they would ask me questions about sheep. And the questions that I know how to answer about sheep are that, yes, they like cuddles. And yes, they like hanging out with me in the paddock. But it also turns out that they are attention hogs, aren't you? Yes. Yes, you big heavy lunk, and you can't eat a tripod, you hungus. Right, so the rest of this footage is going to be some digging and some yard work and some knitting of some socks and some other sheep content that aren't my sheep that won't become wool, but these guys are destined to become woolly jumpers. Yeah. All right, I will catch you later on today. Right, so if we have a look at my weedy poppy patch that shouldn't be a poppy patch, and then I turn the camera around. Oh, look, there's the dog. Here is my unseasonable sunflower, which once I get back from Christchurch, I will be crocheting, if my arm lets me, a couple of sunflower turtles, one from the Hobie toucan yarn, and one from Zach's yarn from Crochet Me Zaddy, the new yarn, and we'll see how we go. But honestly, the fact that this thing is, I mean, it's not my height, but we're not far off. It's too early. Like most of my sunflowers are about knee high. Some are even smaller, but this guy's flowering. So that's a yay win for the chickens, to be honest, because they get all the sunflower seeds.
That's what you need a board for. You have ground flume blowers.
Yep.
Which I'm pretty. Oh, these are ones you need to spin. They spin and they go. These are quite cool.
Yep.
You have these, which I think are just strobe fireworks. These are cracking balls. So basically,
What?
Cracking balls.
What do they do?
You just light them and they shoot. Yeah, but yeah.
Balls of crack.
Basically. Funny shapes.
Uh-huh.
They look like little ones. You stand up and they go choop choop choop. Onto their fountains. See the little fountain ones.
That's what I'm saying.
Ocean blue. I assume.
I mean, yes, you release it and it becomes the ocean.
I dug this out.
Sure, let's just go with that. I can open it.
Yeah, well, that's quite
Oh, ripping it open, that'll work.
Yeah.
That's almost like modelling.
Oh, this looks like.
Is it supposed to come out of the box, or does that get lit in the box?
No, it's not because that's tucked in. Just like that. Take the tape off. And I assume it's going to be a big boom boom because of the box.
The big boom boom because
Big
of the box.
boom boom to the box.
Yeah.
golden flower.
Golden flowers.
That's a mystery.
Golden
You'll
flowers.
never know.
It's golden flowers, Khalid. It's PG.
These look like bath bombs. Do not put them in your bath.
Yep.
Or light them. That's very dangerous.
Smoke balls.
Another one of them, smoke ball. I assume they create a lot of smoke.
Yep.
Quite greasy.
Little. These are just fountains, same as the other ones. Little fountains, and then golden flower. That's the mystery. And
Yep.
2 of these things. Put them in the gun. They go boom like professional fireworks. Absolutely fabulous. 2 of them, and these ones look interesting. You're gonna have to wait till part 2 for the rest. See you later, guys. Okay, you gotta subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe. Love you.
Babes.
No,
He's got the twofold.
ask him if he wants to come back for the big boom boom.
No, he literally said, I'm not coming back once I go. It's too far to walk.
This is epileptic seizure thing.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
That's it.
What?
That's quite disappointing.
Yeah, I think this is my favourite one.
That one.
Yes, my favourite one. This is my favourite one.
This one? This one's your favourite one?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah. It's got multiple different.
My favourite.
Look at that for infinite sign. So you do infinite and then you do a heart.
Huh.
And then now you point it at someone